When you hit a rough patch with your skin, a body scrub can be just what you need to revive any dullness. To make your body shiny and spotless, this coffee scrub is the best. The sand-like texture of ground coffee makes a great exfoliant in homemade scrubs. The grounds work to gently remove dead skin cells, which helps to rejuvenate and boost circulation. Though there is no shortage of body scrub products on the shelves at drugstore, you can easily make your own highly effective body scrub at home as you require with just a handful of ingredients. This homemade coffee scrub is suitable for dry and normal skin. All you need is half cup ground coffee, half cup brown sugar, half cup melted coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix half cup ground coffee, half cup brown sugar, add half cup coconut oil into the coffee mixture, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Rub in a circular motion for deep absorption of the nutrients and cleansing. Avoid areas around the eyes. The aroma of coffee incorporated with vanilla extract creates a very relaxed and soothing experience and exfoliates your skin very well. Antioxidants in coffee can also help in preventing premature aging and are believed to fight cellulite. Leave it on for several minutes and rinse thoroughly. So pamper your skin with a refreshing coffee scrub. And always be gentle when exfoliating your skin.